Sparky Sparks here, new hair. So now I have Jon Renau in Drew. The style is Drew, and the color is Palm Springs Blonde, which is one of my favorite colors. So here she is, straight out of the box. We're gonna give her a little shake, and we're gonna put her on. She's got an open wefting and a lot of free parting space up here. So we can part her wherever we want. And then in the back, the tabs, the little Velcro tabs, which make it super comfortable. All right, so let's put her on. Toss her up. And just gorgeous. Palm Springs Blonde, a color I wear a lot. And we're gonna part her. Again, this is Drew by Jon Renau in Palm Springs Blonde. Just love her. Look at that hairline. Amazing.